You guys need to. Yeah. Yes, we'll get all that. We'll get all that. We'll get all that. I know you guys are amped. It's all good. I gotta send you guys down, right? You guys are.
Here's the fireworks.
That's what. I'm so mad they took fireworks away from everyday people on 4th of July. There was nothing better than just a drunk with a Roman candle.
Where's the guy with the barking dog? Ain't that way, man. What are you doing? Start running.
I used to love that. When I was a kid, I loved 4th of July, man. It just, because the people had it. We had it. You had to find someone that had them. That was awesome. Like, you could get them? Dude, I can get them. I know a guy who works at the airport. I can get them. They come straight from China. It's got all the Chinese writing on it. It's real fireworks. There's always one jackass that spends like $100 on one firework. You ever get that guy?
Dude, look what the fuck I got.
Look, it's got arrows on it, pointy on the top. What does it do? I don't know. It's gonna do something. It's $100. And then that always ends the same too. That's like a big production when one guy, because the other night of 4th of July, there's always one guy that has to light up the big one. Hey, I'm lighting it up! So we'll let you know the $100 firework is taking off right now. You know, that's when even old people are like,
Hurry up, come outside, he's gonna light it. Is this a pretty one? I don't like the loud ones.
there's always one complainer.
If you light them fireworks off in front of my house, I'm gonna call the goddamn police because my dog has been under the bed for 9 hours. If he has a heart attack, I'm suing everyone. And if that thing lands on the roof and starts a fire, I'm suing the whole goddamn house.
Shut up, lady! Call the cops, I got a PBA card. Shut up. We could have lighted it. There's always one little kid like,
Can I light it? Can I light it first?
sit back, go back with your mother, man.
Come on, we'll light it. I wanna...
Back by your mother. Everyone get down, because I don't know what this thing's gonna do. It's Chinese. It's got rocket launchers on it. You like that something? I'm lighting it.
Oh my goodness, he's lighting it. Hurry up, Jerry. Come outside. You're gonna miss it.
You like that? It's lit! It's lit! People are like, oh my god, get behind the car! Get down, we don't know what it's gonna do, get down! This is the way it always ends. Big smoke. But then, you know, that was years ago. Now everything's like big and popular. Come to the lake, where we have $50 million worth of fireworks. And they'll blow up in the sky, and there'll be hearts with songs with love in it, and you will be wooed. Did you ever show up at those events? Like a big event? You only do that once. Once. You show up early, drink too much, it's hot, you're arguing with your girlfriend or wife.
You said you weren't gonna drink a lot today. And as soon as I'll do the show, and you guys can listen. I know you're excited.
I know somewhere inside you're like, I want to go up and tell a joke. That's the alcohol talk. Come on, man, we can do this shit.